Hello there. Welcome to Old Handyman. I'm Brian. We're going to be messing around with some electrical stuff. Now remember, I'm not an electrician. I know some stuff, but I learn a lot of this stuff as I'm going. So we're going to check this baseboard heater. Okay, we got this. I think the reason it's not working is because of the switch here is not working. I don't hear no clicks or nothing. So anyway, I'm gonna take that off, get my drill. So when I go to use this, I've tried it before, I don't get no heat out of it. So I think it's kind of jacked up. So let's see. Make sure I got this the right way. Okay, so check this out. It's not even hooked up. So I have not checked into this till now. So anyway, we're gonna see why this is not hooked up. That's pretty funny, isn't it? Yeah, that might make a difference why it doesn't work, huh? Well, we're gonna see if we got some power here. Yeah, we do. We got juice. So I'm gonna go turn off the breaker. That's bent right over to the up against the insulation of the other wires. So we got to figure out what we got going on here. Okay. Well, got two black wires. So this one's, that one's the neutral, so it's probably this one. So this has probably got to go to the red wire, I'm guessing. Yeah, I gotta get some pliers to bend that wire up. Can't ever find what I need when I need them. Here they are. Needle nose. I'm gonna cut that off. Redo it. Wire strippers, always be prepared, right? Here's the ones that I did my review on, the wire strippers. And they work pretty good. Okay, let's get this straight. Okay, so this is the gauge for the one you want to strip for, the length. Let's go a little bit more. Okay. Worked really good. Those are good pliers. Okay, so I'm gonna hook it to this bad boy. Okay. Okay, I just noticed on this one wire. Okay, it's got a cut down here. Need to get that up. There was some wire showing. All right, I'm gonna cut that off a little bit. Okay, that will work now. Okay, we're gonna go see if we can get this to work. So, that's low. Okay. That does click, so I think this probably does work. We'll see what's going on here. All right. Not lighting up. No beeping. So I think we're good. So I guess it's this one right here. So anyway, we'll get these two hooked back up. Well, I don't hear no breakers popping or nothing, so we'll see if I got it right. So I'm just gonna turn this up. See if this thing heats up here. I'll be back. Okay, I can tell this is starting to heat up now. Yeah, it's getting warm. So hey, I got lucky and it's working. I put it together right. So anyway, I'm struggling here. I can sure tell. Be patient with me. Eventually I get it. So I did get that baseboard heater working good. Got it all put together. And everything seems to work good on it. Keeps that room nice and warm. So if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing. More to come. Thanks for watching, guys.